Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Underground Drainage Monitoring System with Sensors and Arduino SMS Alert. So in this project, we are using an Arduino Uno R3 board, 0 to 9 volts adapter power source and convert to 5 volts pure DC output and gives to Arduino board. LM35 temperature sensor connected to the A0, MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor connected to the A1, fire sensor connected to the A2, and a tilt vibration sensor connected to the 5th pin, water level detection sensor, it is connected to the 7th pin, SMS alert GSM SIM 900A SMS alert connected to the RX TX 0 and 1, 16 cross 2 LC display, it is connected with RS enabled D4 D5 D6 D7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So this is our total block diagram of the project. Let us coming into the hardware. So we are getting the SMS alert, water level detection, fire detection, over temperature detection, smoke gas detection, and tilt vibration detection. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using and connected to the power supply. So here GSM SIM 900A. So this is lock unlock type. Press down, the SIM card will come out. Okay. So here we are using Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. So slowly insert the SIM card and lock the SIM card. Press down, lock, and back, unlock, open the SIM card. Okay, use this SIM card slowly. Okay, lock the SIM card. GSM SIM 900A module. So SMS alert purpose. So it is sending the predefined mobile number. One for me, other one is student number. Bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volt power supply module. So it converts 9 volts DC to 5 volts pure DC output. It goes to the Arduino Uno R3 board. Reset button, USB programming. Arduino 80 mega 328 microcontroller IC. 16 cross 2 LC display. It is connected with the RS enabled D4 D5 D6 D7 8 9 10 11 12 13 GPIO pin numbers. So LM35 temperature is connected to the A0, fire sensor connected to the A2, smoke sensor connected to the A1, and tilt vibration sensor. So tilt vibration sensor connected to the 5th pin, and water level detection sensor. Okay, water level detection sensor, and in the drainage, so it connected to the 7th pin. So this is total block diagram of the project. Then power on. Underground drainage monitoring system using Arduino alert through SMS GSM testing connected. T for temperature, S for smoke, F no fire, no tilt, no water detection. So now I am going for the temperature alert. Now I am increasing the temperature 45 and above. Yeah, 48. Temperature 48. Sending SMS to SMS sending to message sent. So over temperature 48. Okay, so now I am going for the fire detection. Fire equal to yes, or you can use the cigarette lighter also. Okay, cigarette lighter for sending SMS alert. Okay, yeah, fire alert. Okay, so now I am giving the gas alert. Okay, gas LPG gas detection, butane gas or anything. Okay, continuous gas. Okay, sending SMS 1. message sent one. Okay, smoke gas alert. So tilt vibration sensor. So two LEDs should be on, only one there is no tilt. So either, okay, yeah, tilt equal to yes. So you have to stop that tilt, means stop the tilt. Okay, so temperature alert, fire sensor alert, smoke sensor alert, tilt vibration sensor alert. Now I am going for the water level detection. Okay, so one LED should be on. If tilt equal to yes, two times it will check for the two times. Once tilt yes, then it will send the SMS alert. It should be close to this one. Okay, two LED should be on. There is no water detection. If it is goes to only one LED to water level alert. So once again, this is our total block diagram of the project. Power supply board, LM35 temperature sensor, MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor, Arduino Uno R3 fire sensor, 16 cross 2 LCD display, RS enabled, D4 D5 D6 D7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So temperature sensor A0, smoke sensor A1, fire sensor A2, analog input, tilt sensor 5th pin, water level 7th pin, GSM SIM 900A for SMS alert. So here GSM GPRS modem, SIM 900A, power supply board, LM35 temperature sensor, fire sensor, then tilt vibration sensor, MQ2 gas sensor, and the water level detection. So this is total hardware of the project. So in this project we can add IoT also. So through this GPRS modem we can send the data to server as well as SMS alert and email alert also we can take in future. So we can add Wi-Fi module to send the data to ThinkSpeak server or Blink app, like that we can add also.